Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we're looking at the ROVSUN 15 LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. We'll explore their features, capacities, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're living in a small apartment, going camping, or just need a convenient laundry solution, this video will help you make an informed decision. The ROVSUN offers a total capacity of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads, ideal for families or those with more laundry to do. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of only 10 liters, making it more suitable for smaller loads, such as underwear or baby clothes. If you have a lot of laundry, the ROVSUN is the better choice. While the ROVSUN is a powerful machine, its larger size and weight make it less portable compared to the portable washing machine. The DXJJ model is extremely lightweight and features a foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. This makes it a great option for those who need a washer for camping or travel. If portability is your priority, the portable washing machine is the way to go. When it comes to price, the ROVSUN is significantly more expensive at $149, while the portable washing machine is priced at just $50. This makes the DXJJ model a more budget-friendly option for those who may not need the larger capacity or additional features of the ROVSUN. If you're looking for an economical solution, the portable washing machine is a great choice. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN 15 LBS portable washing machine and the portable washing machine have their unique strengths. The ROVSUN is perfect for larger loads and offers more features, while the portable washing machine is ideal for those who prioritize portability and affordability. Make sure to consider your specific needs before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.